Hello, I'm David Medina. I'm a physician associate from Brownsville, Texas. My wife and I were looking for a good symposium or training, and after looking extensively online, we came across IAPAM. We did our research on IAPAM's website and decided to take the course. We were looking for something that would bring a lot of extensive and good information, so we decided to sign up. Our experience was great from start to end. We found a lot of attention to detail. There was great, vast information, great people, great service, beautiful places. So in one word, it's amazing. We learned a lot of details on how to start our business. Also, aha moment is with the complexity and some of the obstacles we will face by doing this. At the same time, there's a lot of motivation through the course in order to give us that confidence of doing it and achieving our goals. After attending IAPAM Symposium, we had to take a step back and rethink our plans with all the tools that we learned in order to avoid as many obstacles as we could. So the way we view our project holistically has changed. We think it has changed for good. To any future providers who want to take or thinking to take IAPAM's symposium, I would just say do it. It's worth every dollar you invest, and you will leave the symposium with a vast and great source of information and knowledge.